Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, May 3rd, 2024, and we're going down with the market. We're expecting about a $1 drop. Inverted H, oscillator agreement. Inverted H reversed. So this is a continuation, so it turns into a 4 pattern. We have an order block right here. Price couldn't punch through it, so we're going to come back down. Oscillator agreement, same thing here. A 4 pattern, lightning to the downside. A little bit advanced, but you know what you're looking for. You can make some money on this setup. $770, ladies and gentlemen. It was struggling, so I'm not going to chance it. It might drop a little bit more. Regardless, we got our $770 within 10 minutes. We're happy. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, May 3rd, 2024, and we're looking to go up with the market. We're looking for about a $1 run. We're going to go over the reasons why we took this trade at the end.
Order filled.
$620. Let's go over what happened. H pattern, 555, slingshot. H pattern, H pattern, macro H. Price came down to this area, the low of the day, which is between two institutional block areas, 433 and 433.25. Reacted, came back around, bounced off of it. We had the lightning to the upside with our oscillators. And that's the reason why we took this setup, ladies and gentlemen.